Hi, Brandon here with Battleborn Batteries. Today, we're here at Blue Compass RV in Reno, Nevada. I'm excited to introduce our new Lithium Power Pack 6500 and show you just how easy it is to upgrade your RV's power using this all-in-one system. So before we get started, let me give you a brief overview of the product. The Battleborn Batteries Lithium Power Pack 6500 is the ultimate generator replacement solution for RVs, vans, and other mobile and off-grid applications. Designed to mimic the dimensions and mounting points of a traditional RV generator, the LPP 6500 is clean, silent, safe, and offers users seamless installation. Inside the LPP 6500 is two Battleborn Game Changer 270 amp hour lithium iron phosphate batteries, multi+2 3000 watt inverter charger, 30 amp Orion TR Smart DC to DC charger, and a 70 amp MPPT solar charge controller. There's also various items and cabling to create an easy all-in-one power system designed to replace your generator. Equipped with reliable and trusted lithium iron phosphate power, charging, distribution, and monitoring components. The LPP 6500 is an easy drop-in replacement that allows you to go green with lithium power. All right, so let's get into the setup. So here we are at the front bay of a full-size fifth wheel, and you can see in there that there is an old generator compartment that has an optional shroud covering it. Inside there is where we're going to put our LPP 6500. So before we get this installed, let's look at the connections on the LPP 6500. We've got an AC input from the shore power, AC output to your distribution panel, a master on-off switch for the system, an optional DC to DC charger input, solar panel input from the MPPTs, and auxiliary 12-volt connections to run your 12-volt distribution inside. We've also included multiple optional communication ports for various components inside. We're going to get this installed in the front bay here, and it is a heavy component, so use best practice while installing. So first, we removed the generator shroud that was previously in here. That allowed us to place the LPP 6500 in the generator bay area, leaving all the connection points free. Next, you want to go ahead and mount this with the provided mounting feet to make sure that it's secure in the front of the bay. So now that we've got this secured inside of the fifth wheel, what you want to do is source all of the cables that you need to make your hookup connections. So let's start on the end here. So we've got our 12-volt auxiliary hookups that direct connect the 12-volt distribution in the RV to the batteries inside. Those are going to be readily available here in the front bay of the fifth wheel. The next connection is a green Phoenix contact. Now, if your RV is solar prepped, those solar panel wires will be readily available in the front bay. If not, you may have to source them from somewhere else. The next connection is another Phoenix contact for the optional DC to DC. In this towable application, we're going to leave that blank. In the back here are some more Phoenix contacts that we use for the AC input and output. You're going to have to source those from the transfer switch or the distribution panel inside. With this product, we hope you can say goodbye to generator fuel and noise and allow the Battleborn Batteries Lithium Power Pack 6500 to power your life, your work, and your adventures off the grid. As always, if you have any questions about the LPP 6500 or any of the Battleborn Batteries products, please feel free to give us a call at 855-292-2831.